Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this 2003, although it does come with the plate shown, Land Rover Defender 90 TD5 that's been recently very nicely restored. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of engine starting and idling action at the end. Hope you like them. Okay, take this 2003, nice low mileage this one. It's only showing 80, well, say it's 87,000 miles if we round it up. 87,000 miles from new, Land Rover Defender 90 TD5, all restored about 18 months, 2 years ago, and just very, very nice. All light ignition light come up as they should, all lights go out as they should on startup, and there we go. One thing, this has got big bucket seats in it, and I've obviously got the seat right back, being 6'6". You do get the back, outside back of the seat is rubbing on the B post here, so you do get a creaking when you've got the seat all the way back, as you can hear with me doing that. But apart from that, it's actually very, very rattle free, and just drives really, really well. So unusually for a TD5, it hasn't got a raunchy clutch pilot bush either, which is quite nice. Probably helps the fact it's quite a low mileage car. Brake off, into reverse. Starts on the button. There's no signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. So apart from that, the seat squeaking against the bulkhead, it's really, really rattle free, this one. No tailgate rattling or anything. Just a very, very nice driving example. Sports steering wheel on it, and that's detachable, and it's got the Optimil locking boss that goes over the top of it. Otherwise mechanically standard. No backlash in the transmission if I let my foot off the throttle. And copes very nicely with the bumps. No nasty suspension noises. It just feels really, really tight to drive this one. Into fifth. Very willing TD5 engine on it. As tall as me, you probably don't need the seat as far back as I've got it, so probably won't rub on the B post then. But it is one of the slight disadvantages of bucket seats. Bumpy road. Does drive well, this one. I've struggled to fault it to drive it. Doesn't feel too mechanically noisy either. As I say, all really helpful by the fact that it's not done up any miles. Doing a steady 50, and it's just trundling along really quite happily. I'm not having to fight the steering wheel, it's going exactly where it's placed. Some beans. one side or funny noises or anything, just stops as it should. Even the self-cancel on the indicator still works, which often with a small steering wheel it doesn't. Anyway, there you have it. I think my name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495. We can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com for any more information. Okay, quick video of start up and idling on this 2003 lowish mileage Defender. Lights come on as they should. Starts very, very nicely, whether it's hot or cold, this one, and ticks over nicely, as you can see. Right, let's have a look at the engine now. Engine bay. It's had a colour change from white to metallic grey, and as you see, white paint on the bulkhead still, but engine wise, TD5 in room health, doing what it should. So I think there we have it.